I'm making this video so Justin can no longer make fun of me. Good day. How's it going? Zach here. And we're making fish today. We're making fish tacos from a walleye I caught in a previous video. Here's me actually catching the fish in 3, 2, 1, here you go. Got him. See, I wish here in Alberta we could keep these guys, because I'd love to eat this guy. Something he's too small. I think he's just right. Maybe I'll measure him, double check. You know what? That is a perfect keeper. He's a keeper. I'm gonna make fish tacos with him in the next video. Look at him, he's a keeper. Hey dude, no way. Yeah, I catch walleye. I thought it was too big to keep, or too small to keep, but it was the perfect size. Measure your fish, don't just throw them back if you plan on keeping them. So whenever I cook, I'm kind of all over the place. I'm using an El Paso soft taco bake thing to make these. I'm using pancake batter and some Melba toasts that I'm crushing up currently. And that's gonna be my batter. Oh, this is the cheese. Not using the cheese, I'm not really a big fan of cheese in a box. But I'm using the seasoning to season the fish with. And of course I'm using the tortillas. Let's get started. You take your Aunt Jemima mix and you dump it all in there, you know. Goodbye, friend. And then you take these and you kind of want to crush them up. You don't want them to be actual Melba toasts, but you want them to be okay. You want them to be crumbs. Good enough. And then this is your powder stuff. Season it with this taco powder. And save a little for don't save a little. Now I'm taking a spoon. You can use your fingers, but I'm mixing it all together so it is one big happy family. And that smells absolutely amazing. It smells like a taco. I don't know what I'm doing. Half the time when I do these catch and cooks, I just cook. And I don't follow a recipe. Okay. We need hot sauce, because we're gonna put this in there. Then we're gonna coat the fish in this. And then we're gonna dunk it in here. And it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna taste really good. Letting that oil heat up still too. Look, oil, hot, sexy. What? Okay, now you got your fish here. I'm gonna just slice it into a little bit more manageable pieces. What if I were to just fry these two pieces up without anything in? Just try that. I'm gonna do it. This is cooking with Zach. That's hot. What? Interesting. Yep. Definitely tastes like walleye. Okay, so now you take your fish and you drop it in your hot sauce. Get your fingers all nasty. Oh, I should have floured this first. Okay, I'm gonna flour these pieces first. Flour. Boom. 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 Okay. Half these are gonna be different. That's okay. You just batter them up. Hot sauce them. Take those away. Make sure you do your dishes. Now we just fry the fish. Bougie. Unbelievable. That is so good. Can we get like a bougie slow motion shot? It's pretty bougie. Let's get all set up for tacos. Boom. So the difference between the fish, this is the one that I only had like one coat, just hot sauce and flour. Coating did not stay on as well, but it definitely still tastes like walleye. It's delicious. Okay, let's start making a taco. Fish, lettuce, onion, tomato, and some sour cream. And then we wrap her up all nicely. And you eat your fish taco. Oh my goodness. I almost sinned. I almost forgot cheese. Honestly, I gotta say, I'd rather eat this by itself. You taste the fish, but it's not quite all there. I'd rather just eat the fish all by itself. But hey, I made fish tacos finally. So Justin, you can stop bugging me. I didn't go all out and go bougie, but they still taste delicious. But thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I might be ice camping, who knows? A couple days. Catching some fat walleye, enjoying life. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know, so you might want to do that. See you guys on the next one. Peace.